Okay, so pre-order shipped out of Indiana on Monday, March 4th, and it arrived here in New York today, Wednesday, March 6th. And this is the box that was shipped via FedEx. Let's open it up. So here is S10 box, and the receipt, I suppose. And there she is. Let's just take a quick look inside. USB-C to USB for charging and data transfer between the device and your computer. We have a pair of AKG headphones, or earphones rather. Standard outlet, charger, and a USB to USB-C adapter. I believe that is the rest of the items in the box. For the main event, we're really all here to see is the Galaxy S10 in Flamingo Pink. Let's get a good look at that. So I did all the initial setup, but I never once put a SIM card in here. Now that is what a recent trip to Best Buy was for. I got the Google Fi SIM card from Best Buy for $10, but it says it includes $10 on my bill, so you essentially get it for free from Best Buy. And open this up, gives you some instructions. I've already created a Google Fi account using a referral from my friend so that we both get $20 worth of credit. Okay, inserted the SIM, and it tells me right away, service provider update, your device will restart to configure features supported by the new SIM card. Okay, so it will restart. Okay, so I downloaded the Google Fi app and transferred my Google Voice number onto the S10, and then when that was finished, I got a notification telling me that my number is ready to use for calls and text. So let's try sending a text message with the S10 on Google Fi and see if I can receive it on my previous phone. From S10. Sent. Received. Okay, that seemed to work. How about calling from my previous phone the Google Voice number I assigned to the S10? Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Very good.
Very good.
So there you have it. Looks like Samsung Galaxy S10 works just fine with Google Fi. There's that pink flamingo. Doesn't seem so bad. There's the punch hole cut out. Yeah. Samsung Galaxy S10 running on Google Fi.